guys, welcome out to the shop today. It is a little bit of a gloomy and a little chillier day from this past week. It was really nice. Today, I'm not going to get anything done in the workshop. I've got some holdfasts, I've got a forge, and also I want to possibly play around with some chain and forge welding that and seeing how that goes. So, let's get this started. Alright guys, well here are the finished holdfasts. These are finished with beeswax for the first time. I usually use boiled linseed oil and finish them, but I'm really liking the color that the beeswax gives off. These are 3 flat top holdfasts with a nice little sloping curve, and I really like them. They really darken up and kind of give it like a antique-ish look to them. I also got to use my Anvil a little bit. The one I got from Harbor Freight, this one worked pretty good. It didn't get too much abuse on it though today. I don't have any big logs to really mount this to yet, so I wasn't able to really hit on it like I wanted to. I tried to a little bit and it kept on moving on me. But as you can see, it did get used quite a bit. I did the curves on the... I can put my leg down. I did the curves on the front of this, and They worked out pretty good. I didn't have any kind of weird patterns in here or anything. The first few hits had them, but then it ended up smoothing out the horn. The top worked pretty good. I don't feel any kind of indents or anything like that. The edge got a little beat up a little bit from where I was hitting it by accident with the hammer, but I mean, that is what it is. I really wanted this for the curve. This, I liked having the solid flat surface to hit on. So like always, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video with the making of the holdfast. First time using the bee wax and also using my Anvil that I got like a couple months ago. I thought it worked fantastic for what it is, only $50, and it worked pretty good. I want to still get a bigger Anvil, but this is going to get me by. So for all of you guys who are finishing out this video, here is one holdfast that is just sitting here, finished, have nothing to do with it. For the month of March, if you guys become a Patreon member of mine and help support the channel, I'm going to be giving this one away. I want to give away like one forged item per month or so, and to do so, all you got to do is throw in a donation on my Patreon page. Link is in the description. These things I sell for $45. You guys can get one for the month of March. I'll put it for March, the very last day, whatever that is. On the 1st of April, I will go, or 2nd of April, because I don't want any April Fool's things, but the 2nd of April, I will go ahead and pick one random person that is a Patreon member. So, here is a forged item for the month of March. So, thank you for staying tuned and checking out my channel and everything like that and watching all my videos. This is a way that I'm giving back to you guys. I really appreciate it. So, head over there, make a donation. I appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up button. I'll see you guys on the next video.